Welcome to Zara's Alphabet Treasures. Today, Zara is helping us explore the ocean to find hidden treasures, one for every letter of the alphabet. Each chest holds something special. Are you ready to dive in? Let's begin. Here we go. The first treasure chest has the letter A. Let's open it. A is for anchor. Look at that shiny silver anchor. Next up, the letter B. Let's peek inside. B is for boat. A little toy boat is sailing away. C is for crab. Look at those tiny red claws. D is for dolphin. So friendly and fast. And E is for eel. Whoa, look at it wiggle. Great job. Let's swim to the next treasures. Time for more treasures. F is for fish. Swim, swim, swim. G is for gold. Shiny coins float in the water. H is for hat. A pirate's hat under the sea. I is for ink. Oh no, a squid squirted ink everywhere. And J is for jellyfish. Glowing pink and purple. Wow, Zara's having so much fun. Let's keep going. K is for key. Maybe it opens another treasure chest. L is for lobster. Snappy claws and a big red shell. M is for map, a treasure map to guide the way. N is for net, perfect for catching floating pearls. And O is for octopus, waving 8 happy arms. Zara waves back and swims toward the next row of chests. P is for pearl, smooth and shiny. Q is for queen fish. Look at her sparkly crown. R is for rock, a coral-covered treasure rock. S is for starfish, bright orange and glowing. And T is for treasure chest, just like the one Zara's opening. Wow, these treasures are amazing. Let's see what's next. Almost done, explorers. U is for urchin, spiky but colorful. V is for vase, a coral vase filled with flowers. W is for whale, our biggest ocean friend. X is for X-ray fish. You can see right through it. Y is for yellow coral, bright like sunshine. And Z is for zebra fish, black and white stripes under the sea. Zara claps her hands and does a happy underwater spin. You did it! Together with Zara, we found all the alphabet treasures from A to Z. Every letter led us to something new, colorful, and full of wonder. Keep exploring, keep imagining, and keep learning every day. Until next time, dive into kindness and curiosity wherever you go.